Hey everyone, and welcome to Storytime with Sparkles. Today, we're joining Luna the Ladybug on a sunny adventure. Luna has the most beautiful red shell, dotted with 7 shiny black spots. But today, something strange has happened. Luna woke up feeling happy and ready to fly, but as she stretched her wings, she noticed something odd. One of her black spots was missing. She fluttered around, checking herself carefully. 1, 2, 3, 6. One of her spots was definitely gone. Luna couldn't believe it. Her spots weren't just decorations. They were special. They helped her blend in with leaves, hide from hungry birds, and even signal to other ladybugs. Without one, what would happen? Determined to find her missing spot, Luna embarked on a search. She asked her ladybug friends, Pip, who loved polka dots, and Buzz, the fastest flyer. They hadn't seen it. Discouraged but not defeated, Luna flew to the wise old spider, Spinner. Spinner, with her many eyes, had seen everything in the garden. She chuckled and said, "Follow the trail of laughter, little Luna." With Newfound Hope, Luna followed the sound of giggling. It led her to a group of playful ants, rolling a tiny black ball on the ground. It was her spot. They had mistaken it for a lost marble and were having fun with it. Luna landed gently and explained her predicament. The ants, surprised but apologetic, helped her roll the spot back onto her shell. With a happy click, it fit perfectly in its place. Luna thanked the ants and learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes, even when things seem lost, they might be on a surprising journey. And with kindness and cooperation, even the smallest creatures can help each other. So remember, friends, even the smallest things can have big adventures. And like Luna, we can face challenges with courage and kindness.